In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer elements from an existing website into Framer using a handy browser extension. This can be an incredibly useful tool for designers and developers who want to quickly prototype or iterate on a website, saving them both time and effort. So, let's dive into the process. To begin, you'll need to access an extension called HTML to Framer. This extension allows you to copy elements from any website directly into Framer. It's a simple process to install, making it accessible even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. First, navigate to the Chrome Web Store and search for HTML to Framer. Once you've found it, you'll click the button that says Add to Chrome. You'll then be prompted to confirm this action by clicking Add Extension. With these quick steps, the extension will be installed and ready for use. Once the extension is part of your browser's toolkit, you'll want to visit the website from which you want to copy elements. This could be any site depending on what you're working on. Let's say you have a particular blog or e-commerce site in mind. With the website open, head toward the extensions icon in your browser, which often looks like a puzzle piece. Click on it, and from the list of installed extensions, select the HTML to Framer extension. It's easily identifiable by its name, so it shouldn't be hard to locate. Now that you have the extension activated and the website in front of you, hover over the specific web page elements you wish to copy. You'll notice as you hover, different elements will be highlighted. When you find the element you're interested in, click it. This will copy the element's HTML structure and styling, preparing it for transfer into Framer. The next step is to move these copied elements into Framer itself. Open your Framer project where you'd like to paste the elements. In the Framer interface, simply press Ctrl+V or right-click to paste the element onto your canvas. It's a manual process which gives you the freedom to position elements exactly where you want them within your project. This can be repeated for as many elements as you need, allowing you to build out a full page or just specific components. After you've gathered and arranged all the elements you need in your Framer project, the final step is to publish it. Look for the Publish button, which will allow you to save and share your project with others, or continue refining your design as needed. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to bring elements from any website into your Framer project. This method not only accelerates your workflow, but also opens up a world of creative possibilities. Happy designing, and I hope you find this tool as powerful as it is convenient.